Craig Honeyman. Have a great opportunity with a lot of excitement. I have a brand new profile grinder CNC coming. This should be arriving in about 6 weeks' time. This leaves a once in a lifetime opportunity. We have our current P20 here right now. We purchased just a little more than 5 years ago. In October last year, we produced our 25,000th profile. There's only one in the whole of the globe, second-hand right now, CNC profile grinder. We've got a beautiful 8-wing hydro head here. It's just finished, just completed its cycles here. You'll see that it grinds to 4 decimal points accuracy. The speed of the grinder, the accuracy, whether it's carbide, which is what these are now, these are a ceramic back carbide, high-speed steel, coated nodes, doesn't matter. Everything can be produced on here. 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm serrated steel. The machine doesn't care. It's got a massive 10 horsepower motor to be able to plunge grind, remove all the material. It has been an absolute fantastic start for us to move into CNC grinding. For moulding companies, for sawmills, mate, this is a machine that is completely run off of CNC, NC. All you require is a simple CAD drawing. It takes that file part, puts it in here, puts your cutter block on and go. There's nothing you can do until the machine is finished. So it doesn't matter who does it. The skill level they require is almost zero. You don't need to have a guy who's profiled around for 20 years. Anyone who can just take a memory stick and stick it in a USB slot can operate this machine to the same degree. It's more than half the investment value of what a new machine is. So great opportunity for someone who wants to enter into CNC, wants to increase their accuracy, their speed of grinding, but also conscious about the skill level they require to do that. This machine fits the bill here. Cutter heads have just come off the P20. We've got them on the Stirling measuring stand here now. This is the Pro Connect system. We're going to 3 decimal points accuracy. So some of you would know from an old scope system, this one here magnifies and blows it up. But just to show you what this machine, the CNC P20, does from an accuracy point of view, hydro head, 8 wings. You'll see here from the radial, you see here from the axial, what this machine will do. When it comes in, now this is straight off the machine. Oh, slow down. Picks up all these little burrs in there. That's how fine the resolution is. But this is the tolerance of the grinding that you are now receiving coming off this machine here. So you've got tolerances of in the thousandths of a millimeter accuracy, both at a radial point from here and the axial point here from that will do the rebating out. So it doesn't matter whether it's a architrave, a skirting, it's a joinery profile, or it's we're running just DAR pencil rounds, or we're running structural framing timber. The grinder is that fast, it's that accurate, and that's just an illustration of what the machine can do. Immediately straight off the machine, plonk it on the measuring stand, and then go bang here. So guys, direct message us here. Alana will post in how to do that. Email or direct telephone call. Let's talk about the machine. If any questions you have, more than happy for you to come out and see the machine in action, show you how it does it, but all the accessories, everything that comes with it, all the setting devices, all the clamping for all the grinding wheels, the flanges, everything will go as a complete unit. Part of it also, if we can train you guys here prior to pulling the machine out, but we also can come to your site and train all your staff up as well. So that is still also available. But give us a call and we can take it from there. Thank you, and look forward to hearing any questions you have.